Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and entering recovery. Make sure battery is above 30% and use the original USB cable. Intermittent power ruins flashes. Once done, power off and hold power plus volume up until the Huawei logo appears, because that triggers the recovery partition. If physical keys don't respond, connect to a PC and run a DB reboot recovery to force it. This reaches the same recovery environment. Make sure USB debugging is enabled if you plan ADB. It simplifies later steps. You now perform the core recovery actions. Use the volume keys to navigate and power to select. Recovery ignores touch. Begin by wiping the cache partition to remove transient errors without deleting personal data, because that often fixes boot loops. If cache wipe fails, choose Factory Reset. Note this erases user data, so proceed only if you've backed up or have no alternative. To reinstall firmware, select Apply Update from SD or Apply Update from ADB and follow prompts to flash an official package. You finish by rebooting and verifying a normal boot. Select Reboot System now and wait 2 to 5 minutes because first boot can be slower. If the device still loops or stays in recovery, reflash the stock firmware that exactly matches your model using High, Sweet, or Fast Boot. Mismatched firmware causes persistent failure. If that also fails, collect recovery logs or error codes and compare them to known fixes. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether hardware failure or corrupted partition is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.